Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 to a Tamil Muslim family in Rameshwaram. His father was a boat owner and imam of a local mosque. His mother was an ordinary housewife. Abdul Kalam was the youngest of five siblings. He was close to his family and always helped them, though he remained a bachelor for his entire life. His ancestors had been wealthy traders and landowners, with numerous properties and large tracts of land. They traded groceries between the mainland and the island to and from Sri Lanka, and also ferrying the pilgrims from mainland to the Pamban island. By the 1920s, his family had lost most of his fortune. Their business failed, and by the time Abdul Kalam was born, they were in the stage of poverty. To help family, Kalam started selling newspapers at an early age. In his school days, Kalam had average grades, but was described as a bright and hard-working student, and had keen interest in mathematics. During his third year of graduation, he was assigned a project to design a low-level attack aircraft together with few other students. Kalam worked under immense pressure and finally completed his project within the deadline. As a result, Kalam wanted to become a fighter pilot, but he got 9th position in the qualifiers list and only 8 positions were available. As a scientist in the year 1958, he worked in DRDO under the section of Aeronautical Development. In the early 1960s, he worked with the Indian National Committee for Space Research under the renowned space scientist Vikram Sarabhai. He had started his career by designing a small hovercraft at DRDO. After visiting NASA Center in Hampton, he had started working an expandable rocket project independently in 1965 at DRDO. After being transferred to ISRO in 1969, there he served as the project director of SLV-3, which successfully deployed the Rohini satellite in 1980. It was India's first indigenous designed and produced satellite launch vehicle. In 1970, he had made an effort to develop a polar satellite launch vehicle, which became successful on 20th September 1993. An Indian Ministry of Defense program managed by DRDO in partnership with other government organizations launched the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. Abdul Kalam was asked to lead the project, and in 1983 he returned to DRDO as chief executive. They were successful in producing missiles like First Prithvi missile and Agni missile, which led him to be called as Missile Man of India. Dr. Abdul Kalam served as the President of India from 25th July 2002 to 25 July 2007. He was the first scientist and the first bachelor to occupy the Rashtrapati Bhavan. He received the prestigious Bharat Ratna and became the third president to receive highest civilian honor over the course of his 5-year term. He remained committed to his vision of transforming India into a developed nation. After his service as a president, he stepped down and decided not to contest again. On 27 July 2015, Dr. Abdul Kalam was delivering a lecture at IIM Shillong where he suffered a heart attack, and his condition became critical, so he was shifted to a hospital, where thereafter he died of cardiac arrest. His last words to Srinjan Pal Singh were, "Funny guy, are you doing well?" On 30th July 2015, the former president was laid to rest at Rameshwaram's Pei Karumbu ground with state honors. Around 350,000 people attended the last ritual of Kalam, including Prime Minister of India